Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and today we're going to cook on the Lone Star Grillz. I haven't used that in quite a while. Going to do some ribs. We're not just doing any ribs. As the title said, we're doing DINO ribs. Short ribs, DINO ribs. Short ribs, these are more like DINO ribs because look at the size of these, huh? Yeah, these are huge compared to these little beef back ribs. You know what I mean? Okay, so today we're gonna smoke these short ribs. We're gonna smoke these baby back ribs. I'm gonna throw some tater tots on. I'm gonna throw some green beans on, and that's why I'm using the big Lone Star Grillz pellet grill today. I love that thing. I haven't used it in a while. I've been doing a lot of reviews, other griddle cooks. Anyway, let's go inside. Let's get these prepared. We'll, while this is warming up, and we'll be right back out. All right, so here is my beef short ribs. These did have a little fat on them. They had some silver skin on them. I took most of it off. Look at that beautiful marbling in there. So yeah, these are called short ribs, but these particular ribs are also known as like DINO ribs because they're not short. Look at there. They're like a foot long. So with that, let's get some seasoning on here. I've got my brisket tallow. I got it melted up a little bit here. I'm just going to drizzle some of it on the back here just for a binder. And so on the underside, it's not super important. I did take the membrane off because actually, you know, I don't want to chew on that stuff. And these ribs are so big, I don't think they're going to fall apart. So anyway, so all I'm going to put on here is some kosher salt. You don't have to go too heavy on the bottom. And then while I was in Hawaii on my vacation, I picked up some of this Ohana Kona coffee rub. So we're going to use that today on this DINO rib. Now we're going to flip this over and do the same thing. We're going to put some of the brisket tallow on top for a binder. Just adds a little bit more flavor. If you haven't had brisket tallow, you need to make some next time you make a brisket. And then again, we're going to do the kosher salt and the Ohana Kona coffee rub. Okay, there you go. And we're going to let these rest a couple hours and get them out on the grill. Okay, it's that easy, right? There we go. There's our 12-inch short ribs, DINO ribs, whatever you want to call them. They're going to be delicious. I'm going to run that Lone Star Grillz pellet grill at 235 for, I don't know. We'll see how long. I might kick it up to 250. I just want to get some good smoke on these for the first hour or two. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Let's get these in. All right. Let's get these ribs on. Put these on the bottom shelf, rib side down. Throw those right in the middle of the grill. Slide them back in, close the lid. We'll see them in a couple hours probably. All right, it's been about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours. Let's give them a look. Oh, look at that. Got some bones showing over here already. Of course, probably gonna get a lot of bones showing on that. We're gonna get this baby rack in there. I'm just gonna stick those right there. Let me see if I can turn these for you. Look at that. All right, I'm just gonna let them keep going. Check these at about an hour, maybe 2, and we'll probably wrap them. Anyway, we'll be back. It's been about 4 hours at 235. Oh man, look at that. All right, let me take a quick temp check. All right, looks like we're gonna hit 174, maybe 175. Got some good pullback. I'm gonna wrap these up and let them go for probably 1.5 to 2 hours. Looks like these are moving along just fine. 58, 160. I might even wrap those in a minute. Okay, we've got to get it back on there. I'll wrap those in about 10 or 15 minutes. Right, we are 7 hours in. Let's pull this out. Take a quick temp check. Yeah. Oh boy, those are tender. Look at there, 202. Those are done. Get off the bone. All right, come on. Okay, the small one's got a little bit to go. We're gonna let these stay in for a little bit. Check this out. There's our tater tots. These are nice and smoky, feel a little crisp. And we got some green beans going on here, smoked green beans. We're gonna pull these off in a few minutes, and we're gonna let these smaller ones go, probably 15 more minutes while these rest. Then we'll check them out, do a taste test. All right, let's get these unwrapped. Oh, yeah, they leaked. Even double wrapping. Oh, look at that. We got bones on both ends. Look at that. All right, let's get cut into these. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, there you go. Got smoked green beans, tater tots, and that short rib. Doesn't even fit on the plate. All right, there you go. There's my DINO short ribs. I know they're gonna be good. They have the Ohana coffee rub on them. I'm not even sure what part to eat off of. I think I'll take a bite off of this one right here. That beef rib is outstanding. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. Come back, we got more. Have a great day.